And shows us how it's impacting shoppers. Smart to have those goggles on, Kay.
Yeah, Shelly, there is so much wind blowing up here. I had to put on my goggles to protect my eyes. I wear contacts, very sensitive. I don't want an eye infection. The wind out here is blowing fast, hard. It's powerful. You can see this banner just over here is flying. And just so much wind is just blowing in the air. A lot of people that are out here that are shopping say it's made it very difficult for them as well. We all know New Mexico weather can be unpredictable.
Morning time, guess what? We have a jacket on. For about midday, we have, windbreakers on. And for, dinner and bedtime, it's like we're putting our winter jackets back on.
Today, many of you are just trying to hold on as the wind whips through.
It was hard to stand up and have to be careful that the trunk didn't close on my head.
The powerful gusts aren't just knocking over people.
Especially if there's been trash in there, it gets knocked out, and then I'm picking up garbage and chasing it halfway down the street, and I feel like an idiot.
And Glenda Sanchez was extra careful as she drove to Albuquerque from her home in Rio Rancho.
My car's kind of low to the ground, but some of the taller vehicles, they do weave along the roads, and it's a little bit scary because it kind of freaks me out. I'm wondering if they're going to hit me.
The wind has blown up so much dust, city officials were forced to take action. In an email, city leaders ordered all construction and businesses that might be generating dust to shut down immediately to reduce the amount of dust already getting kicked up.
It really bothers people's allergies. You can't get outside to do very much because all the blowing dust gets in your eyes.
If you have respiratory conditions or allergies, you should try to limit your time outside. Lenny Gonzalez uses sunglasses to shield his eyes, but he says it's still risky if your eyes are sensitive.
I haven't got an eye infection, but you end up rubbing your eyes a lot and they turn red. So you have to be real careful with that. And like I said, especially with contacts.
And guys, you're looking at this traffic over here on Montano and Coors. You can see all of the dust that is blowing onto cars over here. It's blowing fast in this lot, and the wind isn't just blowing dust, it's also blowing debris, a lot of trash, and it's hard to stand. As you can see, I'm getting blown over. It's also blown a lot of trash past my photographer and I. So again, if you don't have to be outside in these conditions, just don't do it, stay in. Reporting live in Albuquerque, I'm KD Mosh, KOAT, Action 7 News.
Good.